you convert over a clipper seat to fit the Citroen Relay. We took the base and modifying the runners just here and fitting onto a standard base. Nice and simple and cheaper than buying a replacement seat for either the driver's seat or the passenger seat. Now the seat's assembled, time to remove the double out to put this one in. It's simply a case of undoing the 18mm nut that's on the front, there's 2 of them, and then just hooking it off of the 2 hooks that hold at the back. One thing you do need to be aware of is this yellow plug. It just pops in just up here. You just need to remove that. If you haven't got airbags, it's not a concern. Well, you haven't, so it's not a problem. But it will be plugged into, I think, something like you put a resistor or something over it so that you can actually just remove it and bypass it. There we go, it just slots straight into place there. The only challenge now is this bar here and this bar back here. They both need to be cut off because they're stopping the toolkit going back in the front. Now if you don't want to put the toolkit back in, not a problem. However, I want to put it back in because it bolts into here. So let's go and cut them off. There we go, I've just cut off the 2 bits at the back here. That way it'll now fit in. It's all been sprayed up, just got to go and put it back in the van now. And there we go, one single seat fitted. One thing to bear in mind when you swap the seat out is the seat belt itself. The seat belt that comes in our van has a wider piece at the top here, which means it won't go into any of the sort of standard width holders. That does include the driver's seat. So if you put a driver's seat in here, it won't work. You'd have to still get the clasp. So you'll need to take that off the double seat. I will leave the part number in the description and also include a link to where you can buy it from, but you will be able to pick them up at breakage yards. If you did enjoy the video, then please do hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll do the best to answer them. Also, don't forget the subscribe button and notification bell here when the next video goes live. See you in the next video.